This is Putt Putt, aka Jim, and Mrs. Putt Putt's behind the camera, aka Chris. We are at that weird name place up there. Also, Big Walnut Nature Preserve and Tall Timbers Nature Trail. Take your pick. We are going to embark on a trail right over there, and we're going to bring you with us. Please come along. All right, here we go. Beautiful already. Coming up on a bridge, yeah, buddy. It drops off into a ravine. All right, on we go. That's a big old boy. Beautiful trail. Beautiful, beautiful tunnel effect. I'll tell you what, right up there, it looks like it just drops right off. And I'll tell you, it's a ravine right there. I'll tell you, we're getting ready to go around the curve to the right. But wow, it looks like it's just gonna just drop right off. And that is so pretty. Anybody game to walk a log across the ravine? Need one way down there. Well, it looks like the trail goes straight on, but there's a little bit of something right here. I'm gonna see what happens where it looked like it just drops right off. Wow, it just drops right off. Oh, that's a big Walnut Creek way down there. Yeah, pretty sure you can't see it. But I hear some water running down there. All right, well, we're gonna get back on the trail right here. Well, the birds are chipper today. All right, well, if we're gonna go down to the Big Walnut, we're gonna got a long ways to drop off here. This is just a beautiful trail. Beautiful, beautiful trail. This here trail is about, I don't know, 5 to 7 miles maybe from the last one that I took a few weeks ago at Hall Woods Nature Preserve. I did not make it here. I was planning on going here the same day, and I had too much on my plate that day, and I just didn't make it. I actually drove up to the parking lot, looked at it, and decided, yeah, I don't know how big it is. I'm gonna go on and I'll come back. And that's what I did. But this is just amazing. It's just amazing. I tell you what, a walk in the woods, you just can't beat it. All right. Catch you later. Well, this may not be horseshoes, but we got a leaner. Any points for that? Wow, man, that come right. Wow. That come right in, right down that Y. Wow. It's amazing how it just fell just perfectly to get right down in there. All right, let's see what else we can find. Well, it appears we're finally going to drop off a little bit. That's kind of level, and finally we might get a chance to go down this little hill and go down to the river. But we're going to be on like a backbone here, where it kind of drops off on both sides. Yeah, boy, I mean, it just drops off into a holler.
Yeah, there's water.
Way down there, wow. And we get right up here, and I guess we're gonna get to see Big Walnut Creek. Yeah, buddy. Hot diggity dog. Well, it's still way down there so far. You not really sure you can see it, but we're almost there. Well, we're on our way. Anyway, you can kind of see there's a little bit of a backbone here, and it kind of drops off to the left. I mean, it's just like a way down there. And then you come back to the trail, and it's way down there. But I don't like what I'm seeing, because I'm seeing the trail leaving the creek here instead of going to the creek. See what this sign says. Yeah, we're going on the wrong side here. This ain't no fun. Sensitive biological site, no access area. Well, that goes right up there and stays right on the backbone. And the creek is right down there. And if you know it, we leaving it. So I guess we got to stay on the trail. We get another fallen tree up here, but we'll see in a bit. Alright. Got my little footbridge. Yeah. Alright, kind of a zigzag here. And a little root mess right here. Alright. And watch your head here. Got a little couple of little footbridges. Must be swampy right here, pretty much. Must be swampy. But it looks like we're may get the curve back around here to the creek. That'll be fantastic. All right, here's the loop trail coming up. Okay. Yeah, we get a spur to the creek. We'll come back up and finish the loop. All right. Well, see you at the creek. All right, here we are. What a sight to behold right here at the beginning of what I see. Kind of an old big dead tree in the way.
There you go, huh?
Yeah. Boy, it looks nice way down there. Of course, most of you know I like to kayak. There's pretty much no kayaking in this creek today. It is way, way low. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Well, I think let me go up here and see what happens. I think it's just gonna put us right back up to right over there. Probably shouldn't do that, so we'll see what happens. Well, it brought me right here. Hold on, baby. I'll help you. And this is pretty. Kind of a runoff from up in the hollers somewhere. I'll just listen to that. Oh, isn't that pretty? Looks like it's snowing out there. There's so much pollen and junk out there. It looks like it's snowing. Snowing in slow motion. Wow. Listen to that sound. All right, we're going to head out of here. Oh, here's a little.
Is this the right trail?
Mm-hmm. See, there's our sign. We're going to go right over there. Well, y'all don't get your feet wet here. There's kind of upstream, and there's where we just were farther upstream. We were right down there. So let's just try to keep our feet dry, see what happens. Yay! You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, she did it. This might be more of a challenge for both of us right here.
Oh
Let's see if we can go upstream, and not really. It is beautiful up there. Oh my, it's just gorgeous. Well, I guess we're going to try to cross this. I think we're going to get our feet back, but whatever. We'll give it a shot. Now we're talking. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Boy, it goes way up there and splits that way, and then it splits up this way. Kind of a connecting spot here. And it's a good thing it hasn't been pouring down rain, or we would again get our feet wet. But this is gonna be easy.
Oh, this is nice.
Well, something's closed. I guess it's to the left. We can't go to the left. Looks like it has been a trail, but it needs a lot of maintenance. Trail maintenance. Yeah, here we go. Well, I'll tell you what, we kind of got off trail because that's about a 2-foot step, and we weren't coming down that. That's a far cry from those I saw a couple weeks ago when it was about.
Oh my goodness, watch that.
She was about 4 or 5 inches, and I guess she had a little bit of trouble with a rocky rock right there. So let's see what happens.
That one moves.
Yeah, it moves.
Be careful, baby.
All right, but that sounds pretty. Gorgeous. And more steps. More steps. Well, here we go. Well, we're huffing and puffing, and Chris and I were just talking. Why didn't they come and go down the trail we're going up? And we were discussing that. And I will tell you, if anybody comes to this big Walnut Nature Preserve, some people call it Tall Timbers, but if you ever come this way and try to hike this preserve or nature area, it is really easy going downhill on that other trail, the regular clockwise. But we were just mentioning there's probably 75 steps coming back this way to get back up out of the holler. It would be easier if you took the loop trail counterclockwise. Go down those steps, because the trail up the other side wasn't very long or steep, and would be way easier. I get my tang all tangled again. It would be way easier going this trail counterclockwise and down the steps and up the hill on the other side. It is a beautiful trail though. We'll soon be coming to an end. I hope you're enjoying it. It is so beautiful. All right, we're going to once again end this nature preserve at Covered Bridge. And we came from the nature preserve that's about a half a mile up that dirt road. We came right down through here. There's Big Walnut Creek. There's Mrs. Putt Putt. And this is Pine Bluff, built in 1915. Here's Big Walnut Creek. Yeah, looking pretty good. And once again, we're only less than 10 miles from the one I filmed over at close to Hall Woods. But it's a total different structure, total different design. Which is amazing since they're so close together. Well, the wind coming in there, I hope it isn't too bad. Wow. Might have got kind of breezy right there. Anyway, I want to thank you for following along with me today. Hope you've enjoyed this nature preserve walk and Covered Bridge. And I want to thank you for watching. See you next trip.